Fatima. Hey. What's up? I made them. I haven't made pancakes in a long time, so you have to forgive me. Come on. Fatima, kailangan mong kumain. Hindi naman pwedeng ganito. Magugutom ka. Galit ka sa akin. Fatima, I'm sorry. Nabigla lang talaga ako. You know how much I love you. Right? I need you to eat, Fatima. Please. Good girl. Good girl. All right. It's good. What are you doing? I prepared this for you. Why on the plate?
I don't want it, Daddy.
When did you become a brat? I don't understand. This.
I want Mom.
When your mom is not here, okay? Huwag mo na hanapin yung wala.
Let me go home, Daddy.
I am your home, okay? I'm your dad. Kung nasan ako, dun ka. Because I'm your dad. You understand?
I hate you. I hate you.
You don't want to eat? Then don't eat. You will not let Yaya fix this for you, ha? Ikaw maglilinis nito. Intindihan mo?
Ano pong utos ni Attorney?
Dalhin yung mga laruan sa kabilang mansyon. Bigyan niyo sa Yaya.
Sige po.
Tom?
Bea, alam ko na kung saan tinatago ni Kuya, si Fatima.
Saan?
Baba ang bintana, pati yung cellphone mo!
Hello? Tom? Hello? Baka may nangyaring masama kay Tom.
Abra espiritu na yan eh. Nakumbinsin niya mga key personnel ng law firm na kilalanin si Mercy bilang attorney-in-fact ng mga Balmores.
So, wala na sa mga kamay mo ang control sa law firm?
What? Hindi ako papayag. Kailangan mo gumawa ng paraan para mapunta sa akin ang pabor ng publiko. I also want to talk to Mercy. Can you set a meeting?
Yeah, sige.